どうぞご乗船をお願いします。こんばんは、カリブの海賊へようこそ。まもなくご出港です。ボートからは手足や頭は出さないようお願いします。急流下りでお帽子、カチューシャ、軽いお荷物飛ばされるのでご注意ください。この先、暗闇の中を冒険していきます。フラッシュ撮影、光を放つ撮影は最後までご遠慮ください。それでは出港です。いってらっしゃい。ようほー。
おめえたちは冒険が好きでこの海賊の海へ来たんだ。そんならここはうってつけだ。だがぼんやりするんじゃねえぞ。しっかり捕まってろ。両方のおててめが。この先は危険にいっぱいだ。気をつけろ。いつ呪いが襲いかかるかわからんぞ。この恨みのこもった宝の山を見た以上はな。分かってるな。 be aplenty in this cursed place.
Dead men tell no tale.
Ah, but they do tell tales. So say
Strike your colors, you bloomin' cockroaches! Surrender, Captain Jack Sparrow, or my thunder will burn the city to the ground! They need a bit of persuasion, mateys. Fire at will!
There's not afraid of you!
It's Captain Jack Sparrow we're after, and a fortune in gold! Run up your white flag, you scurvy scum! Bring me Captain Jack! I'm sorry to be
Right, Allah or Allah, ladies! Where be Captain Jack Sparrow and the treasure, you bilge rat?
And now, you bilge rats, do I hear six? Who makes it six? Six should be. Hold on. I'm not stinging for rum. It be gold I'm after. Strike your colors, you brazen wench. No need to expose your superstructure. Come on now.
No mistake. And by thunder, that scoundrel Captain Jack Sparrow will never lay eyes on it, nor this here key neither. Fool am I, dear by gum. Sir Julia wants Captain Jack Sparrow. You'll never find the treasure without a look at this here map.
Have a little old time rum with old Chris, right? Come on now.
Run,
Feeling mighty exhausted, rhetoric.
Here you be sport. That's about nice juicy bag. Out from here. Easy boy.
Hey, that's the key, just pretty little bitch.
I say grab his ears.
Look at that. Good. Hold it up. Higher, I say, higher.
Mangy nut. Hit him with a silver.
Here, doggy. Here, doggy. Nice doggy. Well, I hear that talk. What's the keys knocking about, you swab? Can't you reach any further, you stuff-wing built threat? Mister. Here you go, dearie. Come on, have a nice
Even hijack, bring up me hearties, yo ho. Hijack. Ah, my feathery friend, you've a divine singing voice. Do help yourself to a trinket, a small one. Drink up me hearties, yo ho. Yes, 'tis a fine treasure indeed. Is that not true, my chromatic winged beast? Drink up me hearties, yo ho. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. Do you know this song, Parrot? Feel free to join in any time. I'm always the best. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. A toast to pirates in its many shiny rules. As a career must be more rewarded. Take up me hearts, yo ho. I only accept this magnificent treasure as my reward for my villain last scrolls over and the city.
はい、どうぞ足元隙間です。お忘れ物ないようご確認をお願いします。この先エスカレーターですので
David Jones, and none shall escape us. When next you sail, David Jones awaits.
Watch your step. 足元に気をつけてくれ。Watch your step, please. おいてめえたち、足元には気をつけろ。Ahoy, mates. Watch your step. なみんな、足元には気をつけろ。